I have this thing in my mind where I feel like matching red with leopard print and red. I feel like this is giving rich bitch. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Iman, and today I have a quick video to unbox my new Telfar bags with you. So for this video, it's going to be super quick. First, I'm going to give you like a backstory on how I got my bags and how easy or how difficult it is to actually get these Telfar bags. And then I'm going to open them because yes, I got two. I'm super excited because I've been waiting a long time for them, really. So to give you a little backstory, I got to know the Telfar brand in 2020. I was about to say last year, but actually that's 2 years ago, child. So during lockdown, when I was going around YouTube and I saw many videos about them, what I really liked from what I got, first of all, the price point, very affordable. Second, the fact that they have like very good quality. And third point, the wide variety of colors and sizes they have, which makes it very easy for pretty much everybody to find a Telfar bag that suits them. And that's actually their slogan. Their slogan is not for you, for everyone. That's exactly the point. But me personally, on my wish list, I didn't have one Telfar bag, I had three. So I had the small tan, the small red, and the large black. My first experience buying a Telfar bag on the website, I actually was successful. So I got this one, the small tan. It was in November 2020. So you know, they have the announcements, they post them on their Instagram, and they also post them on their in their newsletters. So I subscribed to the newsletter. I got the email saying they were doing the drop, went, ordered, super easy, got my bag at that time. They were even delivering to Abidjan, so it was super quick. I got it in like 10 days to 2 weeks max. I had it, and I'm so happy because I feel like now with like the full year 2020 that passed, I think this is probably the bag I've used the most out of all my bags, out of my collection, because first of all, the color, I feel like it matches my skin. So anytime I want to do a look that's like easy, casual, and I don't want to really think about what color bag I want to use, this is the bag I go towards. Also, the size is super easy, and I don't even care because my wallet literally gets up to here. I really don't care because it's so easy. You can use it just with your hand, or you can have it crossbody. Really, I've been loving this bag. Now, after this bag, I still had two other bags on my wish list. Actually, they were in my wish list for Christmas 2020. Now, that was a whole other ball game because they had at least like 3 drops for these two altogether. I cannot tell you if it was like 2 for black, 1 for red, but in total, I tried 3 times to get my hands on the small red and the large black for like in a regular drop, and couldn't. Basically, I went on the website at the time, so it's 9 a.m. New York time. Here it's about 2 p.m. and got that stuff in my cart. I'm paying, I finished paying, and it says sold out. That happens to me 3 times, so I was like, okay, I have to wait because they have what they call the bag security program, and the bag security program is pretty much, they have 24 to 48 hours while they open pre-orders. You can order everything you want, like pretty much everything you want, and then they give you like a 6 months window for your items to actually get delivered. So I decided just to wait for them to open a new bag security program because I have the patience, but that headache of like waiting for the actual color I wanted to drop, going on the website, actually getting the thing, I was over it. So I was like, patience for patience, I'd rather secure my bag and then just wait for it to get delivered. I waited, and the bag security program happened in March 2021. So it was March 30th, something like that. And the issue I had was that I couldn't have it delivered here. So they had stopped delivering outside of the US, the UK, or something like that. And maybe they added back Europe at some point. But I couldn't have it delivered to Europe, to France, to my brothers, because it was like a 6-month window, and I didn't know at which point they were coming back. So I didn't want to take the risk. So I had to ask one of my friends in the US to have it delivered to her house. And then I was like, whenever you come to Abidjan, then I'll just get it. What happened is that she came early September. They still had not delivered it. Like, the deadline to receive it was like September 15th or something, and she came to Abidjan September 3rd. And while she was here, they delivered it to her in the US. I was like, this is something else. Like, literally for 10-ish days, I could have gotten my bags much earlier, but that's fine, because in the end, she came and I finally got them. So I'm going to unbox them now. So that was like the whole backstory on all of this. So you can see that I've been really patient, like almost a year waiting, actually more than a year, because they've been on my wish list since like September, October 2020. So yeah, I've been patient. So bag number 1, here it is. So packaging is pretty simple. You have this kind of Ziploc bag, and then inside you have the dust bag with the logo. So the bags come flat, and here is the beauty. I'm so excited. I've always wanted a small red bag, because I feel like red, although I'm not comfortable yet wearing much red makeup, but I feel like in fashion, like a good red pair of shoes or a cute red bag just does something to me. And especially, I don't know, I have this thing in my mind where I feel like matching red with leopard print and red, I feel like this is giving rich bitch. So anyways, yes, this is how the bag comes. This I have to remember. Okay, they changed it from the last time it was a paper. This time is like a scratch. So here you have it, my new baby. So here you open and you see the inside. I hope you can see clearly. There's no pocket inside, it's just like open. I hope you see better. And there's a little tag inside. And I'm just going to have it sit. I'm probably going to put this inside so it takes its shape. But yeah, baby number 1, super cute, super happy. It's very pretty. And like the red is actually, it's not a pinkish red, which I like. I like that it's a red, like lipstick red. Bag number 2. Well, this is the large one, so same type of packaging with the Ziploc bag. Open it. Boom. And again, it comes really like flat. Oh, it comes with like, oh, that's very nice, because we get a lot of humidity, so they have this for humidity. And here is the beauty. Okay, come out, beauty. Don't be shy. Come out. There you go. Here it is. I love it. So the reason why I really wanted this one and why I'm super excited about this one, I feel like this is the perfect work travel bag. Big size, you can throw your computer in there, no issues. Every document, paperwork you need, everything fits in here. This is really amazing. So let's remove it, especially because this year I'm planning on traveling a whole lot. So I feel like this is the perfect addition to my collection. So the big one, actually, so let me open. I hope you can see. So it's very, very wide. I don't have the dimensions, but they are on the website. And unlike the small one, you have a zip pocket here. Where's the zip? Okay, opens here. So you have a zip pocket, which actually makes sense that in the bigger bag you will have pockets. So you have a zip pocket in the back, and you have like this kind of just regular pocket where you can put like your phone, anything you need to really grab easily. So you have two pockets. It's very wide, very deep. This is just amazing. And I feel like, again, taking it in black, you're definitely going to get all the use out of it, because of course black matches with everything. But they have pretty much all the colors. They have them in the 3 sizes. Now that's it. So you've seen my 2 bags, my 2 amazing bags. Definitely different uses. The small one is going to be like more of a going out situation. The bigger one is definitely going to be a travel work situation. And that's interesting because definitely my wish list, I have now added more things, because they also dropped out very, very beautiful colors. Like there's a green, mint green one, there's a purplish pinkish one, and a blue also that I really like. So 3 of them. But oddly enough, I'm not really attracted to the medium size. I'm really all or nothing kind of girl. So I think all of the new colors that I'm adding to my wish list, they're all going to be small. And I don't think I'm going to even add any other large bags, because I feel like this is really the perfect large bag. Like this is all I need. I don't need a purple large bag. Like I just needed a large bag that's black, and that's it. So definitely super excited. If I can give you any advice to get your Telfar bags, sure, I was able to get one in a regular drop, which pretty much all the people I know are like so amazed that I was able to do that, because they've been trying. But definitely the bag security program is the plug. Like just be patient. I waited over a year, and I'm still super happy to get my stuff. So yeah, just be patient. I actually, like one week ago approximately, they started shipping orders from the last bag security program. I think every year they have 2, or at least like in 2021 they definitely had 2, 2020 probably also. But yeah, just keep an eye out, follow them on Instagram. They also have the Telfar TV. Well, they dropped a new color last week that's margarine. Not my cup of tea, but it's cute because it's very light, so I feel like I will stain it too easily, so I don't want to buy that. And I need more pops of colors in my wardrobe now. So that's it for the video. I'm not going to ramble longer. Just go on their Instagram, follow them, subscribe to the newsletter, and you should be good. Thank you for watching, and see you next week. Bye.